Happy Friday, everyone. Well, we're off to a wet start in the Quad Cities, but fortunately, it is just rain over us and not the freezing rain and snow that folks to our north are dealing with. And that's because our temperatures are just warm enough to avoid that freezing rain and snow for the most part. Although I will mention, notice how temperatures are a little bit cooler in the northern part of the area. Tipton, DeWitt, Clinton, Prophetstown, mid-30s versus upper 30s to around 40 degrees for the Quad Cities and areas south. So, though we don't have to worry about any freezing rain with all our temperatures above freezing, I will mention the chance for some flakes of snow mixing in with the rain if you're in the northern part of the area, Tipton, DeWitt, Clinton, Prophetstown. Still think even here it's going to be mostly rain, but just don't be surprised if you see a few flakes of snow mixing in with that rain, especially during the morning hours today. Because this is our best chance of rain early this morning. And as we go through the day, it's going to get drier and drier, and more gaps are going to be showing up in the activity. Check out, by the time we get to 11 a.m., we're just talking about isolated showers. Notice the gaps that are showing up. And by the time we get into the early afternoon, I think it's just going to be a few leftover stray rain showers. Some may already be done with the rain chance, but I'm going to keep it in there at least through the early afternoon. It's also around 2 o'clock or so that we'll be hitting our high temperatures. Notice the trend is going to continue with cooler temperatures to the north and slightly warmer temperatures to the south, so upper 30s in the northern part of the area, but Quad Cities area south, highs in the low 40s. A light breeze this afternoon, gusts around 15 miles per hour, but nothing too bad, not too much of a wind chill factor to worry about. And good news for the homebound commute and also Friday evening plans. Looks like the rain chance coming to an end about 5 o'clock this afternoon. But we're not quite done with the rain chance for the weekend. So we're going to skip a lot of time here, all the way until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. I think it's about 6 a.m. where a couple of stray showers will again be possible, but really doesn't look like much is going to be going on during the morning hours. I think a lot are going to stay dry. I'll leave in a small chance, but notice even at 11 a.m., very little going on. I think the better chance of rain tomorrow is going to be in the afternoon, and right now it's looking like the peak of the activity is going to be about 4 o'clock or so in the afternoon. There will be a period as a little weak area of low pressure works over us where there'll be some scattered rain showers. So it looks like the best opportunity of seeing rain is going to be about 3, 4, 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures tomorrow, I think pretty similar to today. I think most will probably be a few degrees warmer. We might see a few spots reach the mid 40s, but I think low 40s are going to be most common. There will be less wind tomorrow. I think winds are only going to be around 10 miles per hour at the most for tomorrow afternoon. And then as far as when this rain chance is going to come again, the peak around 4 o'clock or so, and then we'll see less and less activity. I think it's all going to come to an end around 9 o'clock Saturday night. So still got to mention the chance for some isolated showers very early Saturday night, but by 9 o'clock, rain chance coming to an end. And Sunday does look like a completely dry day. Now, it doesn't look like a very pretty day. I think it's going to be cloudy much of the day. Maybe in the late afternoon we'll start to see a few peaks of sun show up, but a cloudy day, it'll look like rain, but it's not going to be raining. High temperatures are going to be in the low 40s, which is actually just a touch above normal for this time of year. Our normal high temperatures are in the upper 30s, and the decrease in wind is going to continue. On Sunday, very little wind, only around 5 miles per hour, so absolutely no wind chill factor.